Howdy folks, I'm Alan Butler, Butler Contracting, and I was asked a question the other day, is it ever too late to stain my fence? That's a great question. We're going to dive in and answer that. So you've got this fence, or you've had this fence in your backyard for a while. It got constructed, or maybe it was there when you moved in. It's kind of brown and gray, or maybe there's some green stuff growing on it. And you're just not sure what to do to protect and preserve this thing or how it all works. That's okay. We're going to walk you through it. So when it comes to staining fences, no, it's never too late to stain your fence in general. As long as the wood and the materials are all in good shape, there are processes and systems that we have in place here at Butler Contracting to basically restore that fence. So what we would do is clean it. A lot of folks just come out and you pressure wash the fence down, and they might come out and stain it. That's what some contractors do. But there are specific cleaning agents to use on the fence, brighteners, and kind of get everything prepped so that that fence is all clean, get all the algae and the dirt and the mold and the mildew and just all the junk off of it. And you can almost clean that fence up to where it looks almost like the day that you installed it, or we installed it, which is really cool. And once that happens, then that wood is prepped to be able to receive the stain that we're going to applicate on it. It's opened the pores back up, it's got all the junk cleaned out of it. Then we can actually go in and stain the fence and make it look pretty, and it'll probably look just like a new fence again. And you don't have the huge investment of tearing it all down and putting something new up, because there are methods for us to come in and clean it up and stain it and seal it. So if you're wondering if it's too late, or maybe you just need to tear this whole thing down and start over, give us a call. We'll have a conversation, shoot us a few pictures or some video of your fence. We'll take a look at it and walk you through what we can do to beautify your backyard. I'm Alan Butler at Butler Contracting, and we look forward to seeing you on your next project.